So I've been having this issue with an intermittent fault related to the exhaust pressure sensor and also the EGR valve. I've replaced the EGR valve, so it's not that. So now I'm going to replace the exhaust pressure sensor. I noticed that the pressure readings across the sensor didn't change much, which doesn't make sense. I think that's what's confusing the computer. So here, what I'm doing is I'm measuring the resistance across the sensor whilst putting pressure through the actual valve with a smoke machine. On this one, it doesn't fluctuate very much, which means it's abnormal. On the new one, direct from BMW OEM, you can see that there is actually more fluctuation, and sometimes it peaks about 6. That's about as much pressure as I can get through it, but it tells me there's definitely something wrong with the first one. Here I am refitting the sensor, but what you also need to do is, using an OBD scanner, reset the adaptations for that sensor. Sometimes it's called a DPF sensor. And here I'm looking at the readings across the sensor now. They're actually giving me something that looks sensible whilst I'm revving at standstill. So I haven't any fault codes on the test run. Hopefully this is the fix. This code has been jumbling around in the system since 2019, so it could be a winner. Way!